Hello, third and fourth graders. So we are making very great strides with our biography. A lot of you are either finished with your book and have finished taking all of your notes. Some of you just maybe have one day left. So the beautiful thing about a Montessori classroom is we get to work at our own pace. And so some of you may still be needing to take your time and read and write notes. Others of you are ready to move on. So I have created this plan, and every day on your checklist under ELA you will have this plan. This plan is allowing you to move forward at your own pace. So if you are still taking notes, you will click right here and your assignment will open. You will then read for 20 minutes with the timer and add your notes. Take a picture of it and submit it. If you are ready to write your essay, before you just go ahead and start your essay, you need to watch my videos. You don't have to write your essay all in one day. You'll notice that it actually took me 4 days. Just like we would be sitting in the classroom and you would be sitting there at the carpet watching me take my notes and turn them into full sentences and turn them into paragraphs. This is what that is. So on day one, you will be able to click. It's going to open up a video, and it's going to actually be me typing and showing you how to write your introductory paragraph for day one. When you are ready to write, after you have watched my day one, you will submit and you will go right here. This will bring you to a Google Doc where you will write, and every day you'll just continue to add to that. So boys and girls, next week in your ELA, it's not going to say take day one of notes, day two of notes, day three of notes, because some of us are finished with our books. So they're going to be writing their essay and you may be writing your notes. I will look, however, every day, either for something from you. Did you write your notes? And I'll look for a picture of your notes. I will look for your essay. So now you're done writing your notes. I'm going to be checking your essay every day. Are you adding to your essay? Are you writing a paragraph and then the next day writing 2 paragraphs? You're going to see that there are due dates. May 9th is the due date for your notes. May 15th is the due date for your essay. May 9th is Friday. So all of your book has to be finished reading on Friday. Then you have till next Friday to write your essay. Here's the thing is there is going to be another assignment with this after writing the essay. So if you can, move forward and don't waste your time, because you will have other things to do with this. We're going to make a timeline. We're going to make a cool interactive poster, and all of that will be coming as well. So this week you are finishing your notes and writing your essay.